How to add a stop on Lyft. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can add a stop on Lyft. So to do that, first of all, open the Lyft app on your mobile device and then simply make sure you are logged into your Lyft account. Now once you're logged in, first of all, you'll have to select your starting location or your pickup point. Now, instead of destination, let's say you want to stop by at one place. So what you'll have to do now is simply tap on this plus icon right over here. After that, it'll say add stop. Now where it says add stop, you can simply type in the place name, or if you want, you can simply set it on the map. So for now, let me simply add a stop at this place right over here and then tap on the option set stop. Now once you've done that, simply enter a destination. Now let me simply choose my destination to this place right over here. Now once you've done that, it'll show you your starting position. After that, your stop, and finally your destination. Now once you've done that, it'll provide you the list of all of the different options you can choose from. So you can choose the standard Lyft, you can choose the luxury black, Lyft XL, luxury black XL, etc. So once you've chosen the one which you'd like, tap on the option select Lyft, tap on the option select Lyft, and if you want, you can also schedule your ride. So that is basically how you add a stop on Lyft. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.